Hello, today we are going to shoot at 50 yards on this Jaguar. Last time we shot at 25, so we got a new scope, which is an Nikon mounted on it. And we're going to try 50 yards and see how that thing works. Okay, we're going to shoot 5 rounds at the middle, center. Each target we're going to shoot 5 rounds. So. Okay, he's gonna shoot the upper right corner target. 5 rounds. Okay, the upper left corner target now. Last round. The first 5 are this rounds, this group right here. And then the second 5 rounds over here on the upper right corner, and the last 5 rounds at 50 yards, which is not bad.